Salut les amis, soyez les bienvenus sur Olive Academy. In this video, we are going to continue our lesson on fondement de la compréhension en lecture 1. Fondement de la compréhension en lecture 1. Foundation to reading comprehension. This is a lesson designed to, or a course designed to help everyone to read and understand effectively the French language. If you have not yet watched the previous videos, you can get the links to those videos in the description. Passons à la leçon du jour. Let's move on to today's lesson. L plus voyelle. So in this tutorial, we are going to form syllables and words using L and vowels. L, le son du L est L. The sound of L is L. Répétez après moi. Say it after me. L, A, la, L, E, le, L, I, li, L, O, lo, L, ui, lui, L, E, les, L, est, les, L, est, les, L, a, la, L, E, le, L, I, li, L, O, lo, L, ui, lui, L, et, les, L, est, les, L, est, les. So we have la, le, li, lo, lui, les, les. Vous avez bien suivi? Passons à un test. Have you followed well? Let's have a test. Lisons. Mentionnez la syllabe quand elle apparaît. Mention the syllable when it appears. Prêt? Voilà. Continuons. Let's continue. Apprenons à lire. Let us learn to read. Let's read the following words. You see all the E, all the E in blue are silent. They will not sound. At the end of a word in French, when you have E, that is E, it doesn't sound. Répétez après moi. Il, Lili, lui, aller, sali, sale, la sol, lui, lit, lui, lasso, la salle. So we have lines under every syllable to help you read on your own. So you can try it. You go over this particular part. Apprenons ces mots. Let's learn these words. Very important. You need to learn these words as they are. Il, elle, le, la. On va les utiliser dans des phrases. We are going to use them in sentences. Il a sali le sol. Il a salé la sole. Il a salé la sole. Elle a sali la salle. Elle a sali la salle. Elle a lavé le lit. Elle a lavé le lit. Merci. Nous voilà à la fin de cette leçon. On va se voir à la prochaine fois. We are at the end of the lesson. See you next time. Au revoir.